Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show how to turn your pictures into a complete video with music. First, collect all the photos you want to feature in your video. Now, open Edimakor. While there are many AI editing tools, for today's tutorial, we'll focus on creating a video. Import all the pictures. Drag and drop them onto the timeline. Arrange the images in the sequence you like. The default image display time is 3 seconds. You can adjust how long each image stays on the screen by dragging each photo clip. Now add transitions between your pictures. Navigate to the Transitions tab. There are a variety of effects like fades, slides, and wipes. Simply click on plus button and place it between two photos on the timeline. It's time to add some music. Import the music track or select your favorite BGM from the music library. Trim the audio to fit the length of your video. If you want to make your video even more dynamic, you can add effects to your pictures, like zooming in and out, panning across images, and various filters. Text can add storytelling to your video. Click on the Text tab to add captions or titles. There are many templates. You can also customize fonts, colors, and animations. Before finalizing, preview your video to make sure everything looks good. Once you're happy with it, export it. Click on the Export button and save the video to your computer. There you have it. You've successfully created a video from your pictures, complete with music, effects, and text, all using Edimakor. But don't stop here. Download Edimakor and start your creation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.